One,
Right here. You lead.
2, 3. I want a Rooty Tooty, fresh and fruity Wednesday special, please and thank you.
That is not going anywhere other than. And our credibility is done.
It really makes our show seem tougher.
Grab a waiver.
This one is. I don't even. Yep. I'm not up yet. Yeah, not there. So. This would be my second. Yes.
Someone can shoot this one if they want. Get 2 turns on each gun, guys. Does this mean it's done?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, I shot it in the eyeball.
Really?
That's what I did. Oh my god.
I was on
Was it? I got him at the throat. That's good. That will kill it. Oh, I got him in the chest. Woo! Oh, I missed him. How do you miss him? I did it, and I got him. He's dead, man. He's dead. Oh, did you do it?
the wall, right?
Is that what's so good? Is it cool? Yeah.
Right?
Pardon?
Quite thick dick.
Yeah. You want to go on the big one? I get why you wear the...
Did you hear it?
I got baby. I'm taking a spear. Shit! It's blurry.
Oh, where's our camera? Yeah.
Oh, here.
It's hard work. It's honestly, this is such hard work. It like scares me. Alright. Did you go? Okay, did you?
I noticed it.
It's blowing me away!
What do you want to shoot? You want to shoot more stuff? You're trying to get more, like more.
It's very hard work. I'm exhausted. I need a big massage now because yeah.
You want to see the?
Blew me away. It's crazy.
You guys ready to shoot the shot? Do you want?
I got him in the eyeball and the chest.
Oh,
The mouth.
hey. You got him one in the gut? Oh, yes! That's it, man. He's dead. That's it. I don't think he's gonna move again. He's a zombie after all. No, that's good. I think we used that target well.
Oh, we killed the shit out of it. Yeah.
Yeah, he's dead.